Today's Kingstonist news is brought to you by Kingston Community Credit Union, Kingston's only local credit union serving Kingstonians for over 65 years. KCCU, your community, your credit union. I'm Sarah Burtch with Kingstonist News, and here are your top headlines today, July 7th, 2025. The OPP say that they are investigating a drowning incident that took the life of a toddler on Wolfe Island last Friday. Around 9:30 a.m., Leeds OPP responded to a drowning incident where an unresponsive toddler was located in the St. Lawrence River near Stony Point Lane. Family members and first responders immediately initiated life-saving measures, and the toddler was transported to a regional trauma center, where they were later pronounced deceased. Anyone with any information that could assist the investigation should contact the OPP at 1-888-310-1122. The recently announced commitment of land from the City of Kingston to Kingston Health Sciences Center may lead to the development of a brand new hospital and the eventual closure of the area's legacy hospitals, Hotel Dieu and KGH. Dr. David Pecora, CEO of KHSC, confirmed the previous plans to expand KGH had been scrapped, with the focus now on developing a new hospital in the Clogs Road Business Park in the West End. A witness who worked as an intern at Michael Haaimi's company has testified that working at Ferus Media was scary. The 6th week of the trial of accused sexual predator Michael Haaima took a 7-year jump from the last witness testifying about incidents in 2010 to a new witness exploring incidents that allegedly occurred in 2017. The court heard testimony from an intern who worked at Ferus Media as part of a program she was taking at St. Lawrence College. The charge against Haima, as it pertains to this witness, is criminal harassment, though she testified that he did sexually assault one of her colleagues. Police are seeking assistance to locate Christine, a missing woman last seen in Napanee. 41-year-old Christine was last seen on Saturday, June 28th around 6 p.m. The LNA County Detachment of the OPP wants to hear from members of the public who may have contact with her or who know something about her whereabouts. She is described as standing approximately 4'9" and weighing 123 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. Show your support for the arts community in Kingston by nominating a local artist, collective, or arts champion for a Mayor's Arts Award. The Mayor's Arts Awards is an annual city program that showcases Kingston's vibrant creative communities and celebrates artistic achievement and contributions to the arts. Learn more and submit an online nomination form on the City Awards page or through the Kingston Arts Council website. For more on these stories and other local news, visit kingstonist.com and subscribe. You can use my code SarahB2025 for 10% off.